Global stock markets extended a sharp sell-off on Friday, with Japan's Nikkei hitting its lowest since mid-September 2017 as worries over global economic growth and imminent shutdown of the US government continued to affect risk appetite. Dow futures were down 0.42%, while S&P 500 futures fell 0.44%, and the Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.51%. European shares were also in the red. The dollar edged lower at the start of the week as sentiment in financial markets remained weak on growing concerns over political uncertainty in the US. The US dollar index stood at $96.20, dropping 0.25% against a basket of 6 major currencies. Japanese government bond yields plunged to multi-month lows on Tuesday as US political instability hit global financial markets, resulting in the worst day for Tokyo stock prices in more than 2 years. As Resolve dominates, the benchmark 10-year JGB yield dropped to 0% for the first time since September 2017 before recovering later in the session to trade down at 0.010%. U.S. Treasury yields continued to descend on Wednesday as developments in Washington further raised investors' worry over a slowing global economy. The 10-year note stood at 2.73% to mark its lowest since early February, while the 2-year bond yield hit a 5-month low of 2.58%. China's industrial profits marked its first decline since December 2015 as weakening external and domestic demand left businesses with more pressure to deal with by next year in a sign of growing risk to the world's second biggest economy. Earnings at China's industrial firms dropped 1.8% in November from 2017 to 594.8 billion yuan, or 86.33 billion. The National Bureau of Statistics reported on Thursday.